Hi, I'm Vera. I'm a child passenger safety technician instructor and child passenger safety advocate for Safe Traffic System. We're the manufacturer of the RideSafer travel vest. The RideSafer travel vest is a safe and legal alternative to belt positioning boosters. We sit the child directly on the vehicle seat. It makes it much more comfortable for the child, and we use the existing lap and shoulder belt instead of adding additional hardware. When the child is sitting in the car, they will be more comfortable sitting on the vehicle seat cushion, but it gives us an advantage and a benefit because we're starting out with the child lower in the center of gravity, and we're not pushing the child forward with a piece of plastic behind their back. So it lowers the forces to the head, to the neck, and to the spinal cord. The head, neck, and spinal cord is what we are trying to prevent injuries to. Those are the parts of the body that cannot be fixed with modern medicine. When the child is sitting directly on the vehicle seat, we are also optimizing the vehicle seat belt technology, and we are optimizing the vehicle seat cushion technology that is built into the vehicle. We're essentially optimizing the adult safety belt system for the smaller child's body and not elevating the child to the level of the adult seat belt.